It is September 15th, the day of Dominic and Zachary's shared birthday party. And as part of the festivities, Dominic's crazy parents rented Dominic, who is a truck-obsessed toddler, a John Deere skid steer, which is one of his single favorite trucks. He is now sitting in the driver's seat with Mama, who you may or may not be able to see in the video, and they are making the truck go vroom. Can you make it go vroom vroom? Vroom vroom. And you can see, do it again, do it again. Can't quite make it out in the video. When they do that, we emit particulates into the environment. Dominic is a happy clam, as you can see in the skid steer. Happy birthday, Dominic and Zachary. We love you.